Hello everybody, in this lecture we're going to learn about the size of operator. Alright, let's just get started. We always declare integers, so let's do something different. Let's do a double. Okay, we have double, let's name it xyz. Let's make it equal to 5. Okay, whatever. And here we're going to use our size of. We'll type our xyz variable. Okay. Let's go ahead, display it, see out, right? Here we have 8. Now, why does that work? Why is it 8? Our double equals 5, right? Why is it 8? Well, this is the size of this variable in bytes. So, pretty cool. Let's, go ahead, you know what? Do something like that. This is going to be some cool stuff we're going to be learning, alright? We're going to combine pointers with this Sizeof operator, right? Oh, whoops. I'm so used to doing new int all the time. So check it out. What does this do? Okay, so you should know we just created a new instance, right? When we have this new keyword, right? New instance of a variable. We set the value of the variable to 5, but it displays 8. Okay? Why does it do that? Well, everything on a computer has a file size, right? Like 30 megabytes, or maybe a really large video could be, 2 gigabytes, right? And you hear the word byte at the end of the, megabytes, gigabytes. But the smallest form of memory is bytes. Well, at least, for compilers, that's what we work in. And so the Sizeof operator, it's displaying the size of this, operator. It's displaying the size of this variable in bytes. So this variable double, right? Keep that in mind. Double is 8 bytes. Okay, let's go ahead and make a bool, for example, right? Bool, sup, bro. Okay, and now let's go ahead, a bool is 1 byte, right? This is how much memory it takes. So every time we declare a new variable in a compiler, or, if you're using like not an online compiler, it uses memory. Every variable you declare puts more stress on the computer. But as you can see, this program is only less than 15 lines long, so we can declare many variables. But when you're working with really large programs, it's important to understand how much memory you're using in your program to keep it, of course, subtle and efficient. All right. This also works for arrays. Let's make an array of floats. Okay, float James equals. Actually, well, we don't really need to do any of that. Let's make it 20, all right? And actually, let's name it names, all right? So it stores 20 different names. We're gonna copy and paste this. And we'll put names. Okay. Whoops. I shouldn't have put that. Let's go ahead and put an end line. And put an array of 20 floats is 80 bytes. So we got this. A bool is 1 byte. So bools are, as you can see, very efficient. They only need 1 byte of memory. And a double is 8 bytes, which is, these numbers are very specific. They hold very large numbers. They're capable of many things. But a float, as you can see, a float, if we do, 80 divided by 20, that's 4. So each float is 4 bytes long. You can use this for arrays. This will come in handy later on. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Have an awesome day.